Kundrakpam MLA Thokchom LOKESHWAR demanded a free and unrestricted movement on national highways within a week, citing presence of two deputy chief ministers in Manipur while speaking at the 53rd Foundation Day of Youth Development Organization YDO held at Kundrakpam Awanglekai. He said the nearly 3-year-old long crisis in the state could not be resolved due to actions taken restrictly as per directives from the centre, warning that if the Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchand-led government functions in the same manner as the previous dispensation, Manipur could face extinction. Expressing confidence in the new Chief Minister, LOKESHWAR said he is capable of performing his duties if he chooses to act independently and without nepotism, adding that the opposition will support all the positive initiatives of the government. However, he cautioned that any act of nepotism will make the Chief Minister solely responsible. Highlighting the continued plight of displaced persons, despite assurances of phased resettlement, the MLA urged the new government to take immediate steps to ensure their safe return and rehabilitation.
IDB singje mamangi sarkari madu PR manungda Chief Secretary na thengkang ahum lakta December 31st December ki manungda hongjalangani moriye musung chuja mu khaktang madudi matang mata tawgani atei dilu hongjangan haibado hauji thawada tayan yamna karamba changya deba khigi lekai de hongjan garge habja anu sarkara Macam ni ada kangen dia, aduga IDB sini sangat masa terkali dah sekarang pinai betul suka tapi ang koktok mereka tu dah boleh mata, mayu mereka sahabat macam mana, sekarang ada lona sahabat dah sahabat orang, puasa ni pinai ke sekarang lalu mau sahaja sahalo, adu nanti bidang asa ya awas, udara awas was nagi, ada prime awas was nagi, adu bidang, oh ini सब tak laga, lain macam hendak sekarang jadi macam mana, kai sana clear kata tahu bio, nanti di IDB sini saya, nama ramu itu na. Koi panamak ta achoba MP man lai ha se sarkar han ki sarkar jang khangbiyo